Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So welcome to the video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a computer faster. Okay, so please pause the video till the end and please follow the steps carefully or you will not get the desired results. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so number one, press Windows plus R key. I repeat, Windows plus R key. You will get this kind of interface. It's a box. Now search %temp%. Done. Click on OK. Okay. So all these files and everything these are all cache files. Okay, so what you got to do is Control A, holding the shift button, then click delete. Out of this, I'm going to delete just 15 items. I will click on yes. Yeah, see, everything is getting deleted. Okay, it's done now. Now if these kinds of things appear, this due to that, click on do this for current items and then click on skip. Okay, so your job's done. Yes, come on. Yes. It's almost done. Come on, boy, why is it completing, man? Oh god, that's gonna take a lot of time. Okay, no problem, let's check it. Oh, come on. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's stop it, okay? As I have deleted everything else, so let's stop it right here. Okay? Okay. So these can't be deleted because the system finds it to unable to delete it or it's important. So you will leave it like this. Okay? Now again press Windows plus R key. Now only search now temp. No percent sign, only temp, like TEMP. Okay? Now enter. See, these are all trash files. I don't have much, but some might have a lot of trash files out here. Okay, so what I will do is I'll click on Control A, Shift Delete. Okay, enter. Okay, so I have told you before that if this kind of messages come, click on do this for current items and click on skip. And then. Okay, so these are important because I can't be deleted, so we will leave it as it is. Now click on cross, close it. Okay, now again click on Windows plus R key. After clicking on it, click on recent. Mistype in recent. 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 Okay, so these are all the everything and the files that I've opened recently. Don't get afraid because if you delete it here, your actual files won't get deleted. It is kind of a browsing history which you delete. Okay, so Control A, Shift Delete. Yes, it's all deleted. Okay, so we finished deleting these files and everything. Now, if your computer starts slowly, means if the booting is slow, if it starts very slowly, then I will recommend you doing this. Again, click on Windows plus R key. Type in msconfig. Yes, enter. Okay. Now click on boot. After clicking on boot, you might see that the no GUI boot may be disabled and the time will be 30 seconds, which was mine was like this before. So what you got to do is you have to, with miss timeout means this is the timing our computer takes to boot. Okay, it's for booting. So you got to reduce it to 3 seconds and click on no GUI boot. Okay, Now you gotta click on advanced options, and now you have to click on number of processors and then set it a maximum number. For my case it is number 2. Yours can be 4 or more than it. And click on maximum memory. Mine is 4096, means MB it is. Now click on maximum memory and then click on OK. Now click on apply and then click on OK. Okay, now your job's done. Now one more thing, again click on Windows plus R key, type in msconfig and click on to startup. Okay, click on open task manager. Now these are all the programs which start along with your system. Means when your system switches on, then these apps will automatically start. So with the apps you don't need to start along with your system, which might slow down a computer, you will disable them. Like I don't need AVG, I don't need Microsoft Link, I don't need YouTube Web. So I will click on it is enabled, I will click on disable. Oh, it is on disabled already. I don't need AVG launch component. See status is it is enabled. I will now disable it. Click on disable. Yes, I disabled it. Right, something disabled. I think as it is startup impact is high, so I think it won't get deleted. So I don't need Microsoft OneDrive disabled. I have disabled it. I don't need Microsoft Link. I have disabled it. Everything is disabled. Now you're good to go. Okay, so my job's done out here. You can also open Task Manager by clicking on Control Shift ESC. Yes, for the startup, yes. Or you can also click on this taskbar, black portion, and click on Task Manager. It's also opening it. It's simple. Now, what will I do? Okay, one thing you have to remember is that after you have done all these things, means all the msconfig ones, then I have to click OK, and after that you have to restart your system. But I won't restart it now because I have to show you some more techniques. Now, if your system is booting very slowly, that I have shown, and for more faster working, I will show you some more tricks. So first go to this PC. Now I have these 3 disks. You might have 4 or 5. So what will I do? I will click on this one of my disks, right click it, click on properties. Yes, and this is the bar graph, and I will click on disk cleaner. Okay, disk cleaner. Okay, just calculating it. Yes. Now these are all the files that you can delete. Means these are unnecessary files. So I will click on all of them, all of them, all of them, all of them, all of them. Okay. Now I will click on OK. Okay. Delete files. Now it will. It is C drive, so it might take some time. Oh, mine is quick on 1. Okay. So your might take a time, but it will be done. Okay. So mine is done almost. Yes, mine is done. I will click on OK. Now I will do similarly with all these disks. Properties, disk cleanup. I will click on, these are all unnecessary files, so we delete them. Okay, delete files. Done. Okay. Similarly, do this one. Properties, disk cleanup. All unnecessary files delete. Okay, done. Yes, okay, done. Now this is done. Now again click on Windows R key, type in Control. Okay, now search defragment. Click on defragment, optimize your device. Okay, now click on optimize. Okay, now this will analyze each of the clicks, and optimize means it will means what does this does? It means if your files are spread everywhere, it will consolidate all files in one particular place and save your hard drive space, and thus make your computer faster. So I will not do it now, it will take a lot of time, so I am stopping it. Okay, Alright guys, so that was all for today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and there are some more interesting videos I have made, so please check those out too. And please leave a comment behind and share the video and tell me how you liked it. And please also tell me on what topic would you like my next video, okay? So bye for now. Please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon. Okay, so bye. Have a nice day.